Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol VKTX. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think it's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price. And in this situation, makes mapping out a very logical question quite straightforward. And that question revolves around the fact that today made a very, very nice move. I mean, when you consider how bad things were looking yesterday, and as I said in yesterday's video, hey, back to the drawing board for the bulls. They can always put together another strong move, and that's exactly what happened today. Because when you consider where the price was, yesterday at the close, and then you look at where the price closed today, the bulls definitely put together, or at least any rational person would say the bulls put together a very nice move today. However, this does lead to the very valid question of, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength, or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? I have no idea, but like I said, by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around this green line that I talked about yesterday, but it once again is going to play a vital role here in helping us answer the question about the true strength or lack thereof of this current price movement. And it assumes that we can all agree on the logic that price movements with true power, with genuine strength, the price is going to progress forward, right? The price is not going to go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying, hey, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, if a price movement is truly powerful, it's not going to go back to where it was. That would be a contradiction. Exactly. So with that in mind, think about $3.15. Any sort of closes below it, or worse yet, if the price separates to the downside, what would that be doing to the price? That would literally be putting the price right back inside of this range that it just broke out of. Again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say the price pulls back here. Not saying it will, but just for example's sake, has a pretty drastic pullback, but then behaves in this manner before starting to make its way back up. What would you have in this situation? Well, you'd have a set of lows right there. You'd have this base of lows down there. If you picture each one of these as stair steps, well, hey, now you have overall stair steps heading in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do. It's going to make progress forward. What about areas of resistance? In regards to the resistance, the sellers, they just don't care. They're not hiding themselves at all. They've made it very apparent that they're hanging right up there at basically $3.80. You can see that was essentially exactly the level where the price got rejected yesterday, and then late this afternoon, the bulls tried several times to get up above it and just couldn't quite do it. I'm not saying 380 can't be broken. I'm just saying it's as clear as day from the quote-unquote storybook perspective that is where the sellers are currently hanging out at. So that'll be public enemy number one going into tomorrow. But very nice recovery today, and now things definitely transition over to the question of, is this move truly powerful? Well, let's see if the bulls can build upon this momentum or not. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.